ways to get templates into AudZone. AudZone comes with a set of preset templates if you've used your appointment import with the onboarding. Otherwise, if you want to bring in your own template, you can simply click import template, particularly if you have examples of notes with using that previous template, or a text template somewhere, or even a PDF note somewhere, or document or letter that you want to make a template from. It's as simple as copying the text and pasting it, or if it's a PDF, just dropping the PDF there. Fillable PDF is just a way to create a fillable PDF from any PDF. So you can drop it there and it will convert it to a fillable PDF. But in this case, we want to convert this note to a template. So you can see this is an actual note with the client details in there. That's okay. You've got two options. You can import in the background, which basically means you click this and it closes, and then you can carry on somewhere else while you wait, or you can click here to import and review. It takes about 40 seconds to do that. So I'll just click that and we'll just wait together as it processes. And what's happening now is AI is reading this, it's deciding on the structure, making sure that it has all the fields and trying to figure out what goes into each field. And then it's going to generate that template for us, which can be used again with any appointment of our choosing. This one's actually based off the AudZone template already. So we're just creating a duplicate just to show you how the system works. If you don't have a template like this, you can also use the New with AI button, which we'll show you next. So if you don't have the patience, make sure you use import in background, and then when you come back, you'll just see draft template, and you can then go and edit that. And there's an edit video on the template editor itself. There we go. So now this is generated this template, so we can see it's determined that it's a clinical note. This is what it's called it. Currently it's draft, so if I want to make it active, just make sure to make it active. This is the note style, so just the default style. Again, as with the editor, you can give some instructions here if you want to make sure it only uses bullet points or something like that. You can enter it there. You can see the team availability. This is shared with your whole company. You can then assign this to an appointment type. So I'm not going to reassessment. I don't think I have that appointment type in this one, but you can link it to any appointment type. And here, if you scroll down, you can see the preview. So you can actually edit it from here. So we normally recommend don't fiddle too much with the editing, just save that template. And you can then edit it later by just clicking on it again. And use that editor to edit it, which is another video. So that's how you import a template. Another way to create a new template for yourself is to select the template type. So we might say it's a clinical note, and we want it for, you can see this one already has an appointment type. So select one without an appointment type, and we can say just give it as much detail as you'd like, and the AI will figure it out for you. Then just click next. You can choose whether it needs to be based on any compliance regulations. It's not that it's going to check for compliance, but if you need it to be compliant with regulations, you can pick. Here we've got a list of all the regulations. These are your own specific imported ones, or you can look at the library and use those there. You can even upload your own set of rules, and a compliance rule is something as simple as always form and then screen. Something like that, just the kind of things that always needs to happen in this note. and then you can generate and review. In this case, I'll just generate in the background, which means it closes, and then once it's done, it will show up something like this one I've done earlier, which is just AI draft. When you click it, you can see draft here. You can then edit it and just make sure you've got this back to active so it's available, and save, and that's done. So that's the two ways of importing your own templates or creating your own templates. If you want to use our library, just click on settings, template catalog, and here you can actually select a number of templates that you can import yourself to your own library if you wished. So let us know if you get stuck. We're always happy to help you with the details, but overall we've tried to make it as easy as possible.